if you want to set any song as the ringtone of your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the App Store, then in the search bar just search this and install this app. Now just enter your Apple ID. Now just enter the password of your Apple ID. After you enter the password of your Apple ID, just tap on Done. Tap on Install. Then tap on Open. Tap on Continue and select Ask App Not to Track. Now just tap on the X icon over here. Now just go to the Discover section at the bottom of the screen. Now at the top of the screen you will find the option of ringtones. Just select it. Then in the search bar, just search the name of the song which you want to set as your ringtone. For an example, I have searched this song, and as you can see, these are all the ringtones available for this song. Now for an example, I will select this one. Now just tap on the download icon and select Watch Ad. Now once the ad finishes, it will show you this menu. Now just select Save, tap on Continue. Now just swipe up and select Use as Ringtone. And once you do that, you will set the selected song as your ringtone. And this is how you can set any song as the ringtone of any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.